I think it looks a little bit better. Doing a quick repair job. I knew going into the trail that I wasn't going to come out very easily, and I did not. Poor little truck took a beating. I've been waiting for the temperature to heat up so I can fix this little mess. Last summer I went down hunting rocks down a road that is more for a Jeep, not a long truck. So after a rain shower and some rutted out roads, I knew it was going to be rough on the truck. Made it in on the way back. Poor little truck got some damage. It's $450 plus like $300 for shipping. I could go pick one up in California. Instead, I'm just gonna make it look better. What you doing? I spray it and paint it, maybe no one will notice the damage as much when it's black. Oh, already looks better. I think it looks a little bit better. Kind of hides my crash. That's a nice hiking car. So last time I was here with the truck during the summer, I made it in, I made it out, and it was tight. Then I came after a great rainstorm, which is perfect for rock hunting, and I knew this rut might be too much. Well, yeah, on the way out, tire dropped, front end snagged, and I grabbed that rock. Well, we fixed the damage. Today we're gonna be walking. I've seen little Subarus make it down this trail, no problem. Okay, we're gonna go towards our red rocks. Let's stay on the high spot so we don't have to walk up.
Okay.
Or we can go across here and go to that bubble and go up to the red rocks. out crystal collecting is so windy. I found a little cove. I made it up to the top and over the backside. Oh, it's windy. Crystal! That's how windy it is. I know we all hate wind noise. Just got back from that hike. That was windy at the top. Spent a little more time than expected. Just wanted to come out here and show my poor road damage. Instead, I end up crystal hunting all the way to that peak right there. That peak right there. Looked up to that peak. My crystals. Found a few. Just little scraps. This is a nice cluster.